Hi everyone! In this video, we will learn the basics of substance searching in SciFinder. In SciFinder, we can perform easy searches to locate substances. We can use the Omnibox to search for compounds using a variety of options: the chemical or commercial name, the CAS registry number, the molecular formula, using natural language, etc. Let's see some examples. When looking for a compound using its chemical name or a CAS registry number, we just need to type it into the Omnibox. We can search for one compound or more in one search, for instance, a commercial name and a CAS registry number. Then select the substances to view these two compounds. We can also look for substances using natural language as mentioned before. For instance, substances with a molecular weight between 250 and 260. As we can see in this filter, all compounds within this answer set have a molecular weight within this range. It is also possible to locate substances based on the functional group they contain. We can add one or more functional groups combined with a Boolean operator. Select what we want to see, and in this example, we will retrieve compounds with both functional groups. Another way to locate substances is using the molecular formula. Again, we can use the Omnibox to start our search. Select substances, and use the filters available to narrow down our answer set. In CAS SciFinder, there is also the option to use the advanced search to be more precise. As we can see here, we have a lot of different options to start a search. For instance, the search we just did by molecular formula will retrieve us directly the substances with this molecular formula. We can also locate all substances indexed from a specific document using the DOI number or a patent number. The search by component registry number is very useful, for instance, when looking for polymers. Let's look for polymers containing ethylene. We can use the filters to narrow down this answer set. When we click on a CAS registry number, we can see the substance details such as basic information, patents claiming it, properties and spectra, regulatory information, etc. There are other options within the advanced search as we can see here, but this will be the subject of other videos. Thanks for watching this video.